shoulder lean, hey, shoulder, hey.
Hi.
Oh my God.
It's me. It's your girl, Anaya. I'm in this thing.
Anaya 2.0.
2.0.
What number are you?
I'm 1.0. I'm V1.
No, you like this is 3.0. This is Anaya 3.0. All right, we got Anaya 3.0 in the building. What's wrong with 3.0?
I want to be 1.0.
I'm trying to upgrade.
I'm
I'm trying to upgrade you. I'm trying to update you.
There is nobody like me.
All right, Anaya, the most fantastic makeup artist, as you guys can see. We're gonna do some beauty shots. I'm gonna walk you through how we're gonna be using. I'm using this little. I don't even know what this thing is called. What is this called?
A beauty dish, I think.
It's a reflector. We're gonna use it for the first time, and I'm gonna show y'all what kind of look it gets with another. Anyway, let me show y'all. All right, so first and foremost, just so you guys know, I'm using the DP403. That's gonna be my key light. I'm probably gonna move it right in front of her. I've got a 21-inch beauty dish. It's actually got a white inside with the grid on it. And then, yeah, what is it? What is it? What is it, Anaya?
A reflector?
It's yeah, so we've got this little clamshell. It's a clamshell light reflector because this is the clamshell. Yeah. All right, so we're going to use the clamshell light reflector with Anaya. That's going to reflect from the bottom. It should give a little bit more life to her eyeballs. And then we've got the Godox 403 as well. I'm going to use that as a hair light slash rim light. And let's go. You ready, Anaya?
Yeah, I am ready.
You ready? How ready are you?
Yeah, I'm about to. This face about to be on fleek.
On fleek. Let's get it.
So first things first, I need to set my key light up in front of her, about 3 to 4 feet up above. And then I'm going to turn the hair light on the back because I want to separate her from the background, of course. And then lastly, I think it's important to make sure that you take the grid off of your light because it needs to be able to bounce onto the reflector dish in order for it to be effective.
So for this first part, I'm going to shoot with just the beauty dish so that you guys can get an understanding of what the beauty dish by itself looks like. So I'm going to take a shot of our beautiful model, Anaya. Good. Actually, that looks really good. Take another one. Cool. So y'all can see what it looks like with just the beauty dish by itself and the hair light behind her.
A few things to keep note of as we add the reflector after these shots is that one of the things that we look for in these types of portraits is we want to add a lot of life to the eyes, right? And you can see here, there's not a lot of light to the eyes. Now without a reflector, you would want to drop the light down enough so that the reflection of the light would be in her eyes so they don't look super dull. Or the reflector in and of itself is going to add that flavor into her eyes. The second thing to note is the shadows underneath the chin and around the shoulders. We want to be able to round those out, obviously for this specific type of look that we're going for. But keep in mind when we add the reflector, those things are going to be the main differences that you'll see.
And now, so I'm going to go ahead and add this clamshell reflector so that y'all can see the differences. I'm not going to change any of my settings. I'm just going to move this in front of her. So I'm going to put this right here. Boom. Try not to hit your ashy knees.
Wow, very nice.
I'm just kidding. All right, so I'm going to take another shot. And I want to tilt it up just a little bit more because it's facing her, but I want a little bit more tilt. So let me turn it up a little bit. And so this should take away a lot of the shadows from under the chin and really give it'll really give some, here, I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer, man. Y'all too far away. Now that I got the reflector clamshell set up, I didn't change any of my settings. I'm gonna shoot the exact same way. And for those of you who are wondering, I've got my key light at 1/16th and I've got my hair light at 1/64th power. And they're both 400 watt strobes. And then my settings are 1/200th of a second, f8. Actually, I'll have them on the video so you guys can see. But again, didn't change any of my settings. I'm gonna take another shot. Boom, and y'all can see how all the shadows have pretty much disappeared. It's much more soft light. And it's just a much better look. And if you take an even closer look at the eyes, which is really where we're trying to draw the focus to, that clamshell reflector underneath really, really brings out the life. Right now, she looks alive. She don't look like she's a zombie. She looked like, yeah, okay.
So here's a quick side-by-side comparison of using the reflector dish and not using the reflector dish and only using the beauty dish. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think. I'm also going to release another video of BTS of this photo shoot, giving you guys tips and tricks on how we got different poses, different lighting techniques. So make sure you're subscribed so that you catch that video and check it out if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next video.